There's the constant chirping, the chatter, the overhead flyovers, and the mess left behind. It's enough to drive anybody nuts, but that's the way Magic is Smiley likes it.
Just to care for a single bird is about $1,000, over $1,000 every year.
And Magic has a couple hundred of them.
I love you. I love you.
He is a character, absolutely a character.
Magic owns Zaxi Parrot Sanctuary, a sort of orphanage for unwanted, discarded, homeless birds in Citrus Park. He's as unique as the birds surrounding him.
There is a special bond between us, and everybody sooner or later they find out that what they like or what their passion is, but the animal love me, so I love them back.
Magic relies on donations and volunteers to educate the public that these birds are a lifelong, constant commitment, not your typical pet.
All the noise they make, number one, and how destructive they are and how much love they need.
Some of these birds live for more than 75 years.
You have to do your homework before we buy one of these guys.
Sadly, most people don't, and it's become a huge problem. They come to Magic to find a home here, a rather crowded home.
I refuse. Sometimes up to 200, 300 every month.
Magic admits he hates to turn away an unwanted exotic bird, but he's stretched to the max.
This is Magic's whole life. He works 12 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Time, money, and attention. Magic gives it all.
We try to teach them to fly and play with them, give them treat and talk to them. They love to talk to people.
A man and his birds, an enduring commitment.
Go, baby, go.
Just beautiful. Zaxby's is not open to the public, but if you sponsor one of their birds, Magic says you will get full access to the sanctuary. And he does need help, but think about what he's doing.